keep knocking at the door, trying to steal my peace again, trying to fill my mind with fear, trying to make me fall and sin. Sometimes he comes when your heart feels weak, sometimes he comes when your soul can't sleep, sometimes he comes when you feel alone, trying to make darkness feel like home. But I know God got me covered, I know he's standing near. So every time the devil knocking, I tell him you can't stay.